How about we make our own video game? This is a question I asked my girlfriend in the end of 2025. Since then, we invested a bit of time in the concepting, the programming, learning about everything because, mind you, we are not game developers. We are not game designers. We have to learn everything from scratch. But we did it, and fast forward to the present time, we have our Steam demo ready and live and you can play it. The game is called Postponed and it's an office management roguelite in which you play a manager of a game development studio. And with the help of your team, you have to solve tasks for a variety of projects in order to get money and skill your team. So if this sounds interesting to you, I highly suggest that you give our demo a try. It's for free and you can play it as much as you want. And in this video, I suggest we're gonna jump into the game and I will show you how the gameplay is so you can decide for yourself if this is something interesting or not. As promised, let's jump into the demo. Here I have the build for Mac, however, the live demo is only available for Windows at the moment. We still have to figure out how to do it on Mac. This is the title screen, and as you can see, we have the logo, we have one character already, he's at his desk, and we just jump straight into the game. So we click on play. And this is the project briefing screen. So here we will get our first project. Each week we'll deliver another project. And we have to support the development of the Heist Hour game. This is the quick description of the game. And we have to help with the technical side of things. That's indicated by this icon. And it consists of 4 key skills that we have to master: coding, asset management, engine engineering, and performance tuning. So we have to keep this in mind and select the right teammates. We have to pay attention to this icon, and basically there I see 3 people here that we can hire for this job. We have Steven, Isabella, and Jessica. We have to also mind our coins. We have 4,500 for the start, and it costs 2,000 to hire Jessica, 2,000 to hire Isabella, and 2,500 to hire Steven. So we cannot hire all of them, and that's not what we are going for. We will actually hire only Isabella, because we will also be able to manage a bunch of tasks with only one character, and I want to make sure that we have a bit of coins for upgrades and for skilling of Isabella. So that's why I'm just gonna take Isabella here, and let's jump into the first day. Each day will give you a perk. We got a good one. We got 20% more income. This is a great start. Let's go. This is the office. Here's Isabella, and she's very shy. She doesn't react much. So we have our first task. I'm just gonna assign it. And now she will work on it. I'll prepare myself a coffee. Of course, I already know how the game works because I developed it, so I know what to do. I prepare myself a water and a coffee for health regeneration, and I have a meeting at 12, indicated by the secretary. Let's see. Isabella is not going to do it, so I will solve the task manually. And we have a coding task. I will postpone this. A coding task, you will see that she will have a heart because she likes it, because she knows how to code. And that's why she will solve it quicker. Oh, I have a meeting. It is such a privilege to watch you change your mind every single day. Ta-da! Nice. So she will work on the task quicker and we will get paid better if she doesn't F up, which she just did. There's another coding task. Isabella, don't disappoint me. Now we have a bit of loss of mental health. So we have to drink coffee, drink water, and caress a dog. Yeah, this is the game we came up with. Okay, so there's even though our project is focusing on the technical tasks, there's still a probability that you will get tasks from other skill groups, like art in this case, just to make the game a bit more interesting and unpredictable. And here we go. The day ended. It's 5 o'clock. We generated 750 coins or euros, and we solved 4 tasks. You have a bit of statistics here, which might be interesting for some more nerdy people like me. And here we have the upgrade shop. So each day we will get a bunch of upgrades that we can buy. Like, for instance, a protein shake to keep us fit, which I will not take because we are not struggling with mental health at the moment. I'm not going to take anything, to be honest. This is the skill assignment page, where you can choose one of 3 skills to assign to your employees. So if you have more employees, obviously the selection is bigger. But those skills are not matching the skill set that I need for the project. So it's wasted money practically. So I have to wait for better skills the next day. And we're gonna jump into day number 2. We can walk quicker, which is nice. So we can check if we have a meeting very quickly. 11. At 11 o'clock, we have a meeting. Perfect. And we have engine engineering. All right. I could give it to Isabella, but she will be too slow, so I will do it myself. By the way, the game obviously is not designed for you to solve tasks manually. So it will become more difficult the more you solve tasks manually. And if you fail, you will get a huge penalty. So I'm not gonna solve this 3rd task manually as well. And I will drink a coffee. And the water. And I will caress the dog. And I will have a meeting in 5 minutes. I am so happy we could align our visions in such a tedious way. Great. We survived the meeting. Very nice program. So this is a coding skill, and Isabella will like that. So I'm gonna postpone this one. It's okay, Isabella. Better luck next time. Now you can show what you are able to do. So how do you like the office, by the way? Everything is hand drawn, obviously. So we don't work with AI. We really draw everything with Sprite, and we animate everything step by step, which is quite difficult. So I would be very interested in how you like the design, the concept in general. I made a bunch of videos in German about the journey about this game that also shows older concepts. Be sure to write if you would be interested in that. So I will redo the videos also in English, because the first concepts did not look at all like this. They were very different. Okay, we ended the day, and I would say for this video we will do a 3rd day, and we will continue. Or no, we cannot continue because I don't have the save game on. But I would say we will continue with another video next time. So we're gonna buy 2% more income. That sounds good. Work speed sounds good as well. Coding income. This is very good. Obviously, we are focused on coding. By the way, we have on the right side here. Now I'm in the way a little bit, but here we have the skills of the skill group. So we have to focus on the technical skill group. And here we have, again, the skills we need to focus on. So coding is one of them. Plus, Isabella knows how to code. So we need to skill that, obviously. And now let's hope we will have perfect. Now, this is great for us because we can either improve Isabella's coding skills, which will make her even quicker and more profitable, or we give her another skill of the skill group, which I actually would prefer. So asset management is something we will give her, and now she will do both of the skills a bit more efficiently. Let's see what we get. That's also very nice. Okay, enhanced understanding is a perk where each task that you get will be, you will know exactly which skill you need to solve it because it will be written down. So you don't have to guess. Here you know that it's performance marketing. With some tasks you know it by the text, but with some tasks it's a bit more confusing intentionally. So it's a nice perk to have just to be sure. Oh, now I effed up and I lost 50 mental health, which is a huge penalty because if I lose another 50, I will... I have a meeting. I'm so happy we could align our visions in such a tedious way. We already had this. All right, 2 asset management skills, which is very good because it's okay, Isabella. Now, maybe if she's quick, she will get also the coding task, but I don't think she will be able to do it. Ah, that sucks. She's too slow. We have to skill her better. Uh-oh. She even was able to do it. Oh, that was very stupid of me. And I think we just lost. Yes, we lost. All right. Either way, this was the 3rd day. And if you're interested in this, make sure to tell us in the comments what you think. Also, if you have improvements or ideas, you are welcome to give your feedback. And of course, it would mean the world to us if you just give it a try. It's completely free on Steam. I will share the link. So if you're interested, just give it a shot. And I think that's it for the video. If you like this type of content, then make sure to subscribe. I'm asking a lot here. I feel like I'm asking a lot. So I'm just gonna end the video here and wish you a nice day.